If you've been looking for a property that gives 2 generations their own space without any compromise, this beautiful 10-acre property in Pelham delivers a main floor in-law suite with its own entrance, its own utilities, and yet it's all under one roof. So starting outside at this beautiful property, we've got 7 acres of workable farmland maintained by a local farmer, so you've got reduced taxes, which is amazing. You've also got a transferable solar contract generating approximately $400 a month. You've got a beautiful heated in-ground pool, hot tub, outdoor fire pit, and 4-car garage parking. What more could you need? I'm Wes Skilstra, broker with the Wayne Skilstra team, and let's step inside 2330 Center Street here in Pelham. So we're now inside the main house, which has got 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a fully finished basement, lovely finishes throughout, and loads of natural light. We're now stepping into the completely separate in-law suite, which is what's so unique about this property. You've got separate hydro, separate gas, your own patio area, a full basement for ample storage, 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms. It's all under one roof here. This truly is a property that families will hold on to for generations to come. If you would like a private viewing of this amazing property, call or text me, Wes Skilstra, anytime at 289-213-7337.